So, looky here who we have. This is day 3. Ricky Martin here is trying to see if he can beat this hose up here. And he's got 300 feet of soft wash hose. It's going to go on the soft wash. And so this is day 3 of the build in 3 days. And so if you can see here, we got all our hose reels all mounted here. And I'll walk through this truck today of what we have here and how we can help you grow your business, right? Day 3 here, you can see that we got our soft wash pump all mounted in. We got it going up. We got it going through our mixer valve up here. Our mixer valve then goes into the water tank. And then one goes into the soap tank, then goes over to our remote remix valve over here. And over here it comes back into our, on the Kim line right here. Same way with the surfactant. The surfactant comes up over there. And there's a tank back in there that I'll climb up here. Hopefully I don't fall off. And you can see that our surfactant tank is there. It comes up into our remote valve. And so this is so that you can use a remote as you are turning on and off your soap. And this is how you can do this, so that way you can use the gas pump to do house washing with. And so this is where you can set, obviously the water is always on. You can set your soap very little, and then we can set our SH to wherever we need to be at. So obviously if it's closed, that's 0. If we open both of these up, that's going to give us a 6% mix, right? Because it's here. So if we quarter that, that would be a 3% mix. And then if we go a little bit less than that, that is where we are going to be a little less there. But here is our 100-gallon bleach tank we have here. We have our 330-gallon water tank. It only fills up to about 200 gallons, so that way it doesn't fill up. And then I actually did a ball valve up here, so if you want to fill it up to 330, you can. That way it doesn't stay weak. Also on this rig, we got an 8-gallon a minute pressure washer here that we have here with our 12-gallon tank up there. And so we made this so it can go up and do downstreaming. And so that is how we work it there. Also, we have our water hose coming in. We did go up and down. We do got to do some mounting stuff here. We didn't mount it yet, but it comes down, and that's where we fill our tank is right here. This is going to be for a water-fed pole. That there's a tank down there, and this is how you can do your water-fed pole through there here. So that's how this build rig is. It is a great rig. It is one that will make lots of money. So hopefully you can see about building these rigs. It did take us 3 days, and we're probably working a long day today. We'll probably be working 12 hours to get this done, because I got some stuff I need to be able to do tomorrow, and I'm not going to be able to be here tomorrow. So we will get this thing done in 3 days. We did run into some problems. One is we got a leak at the bottom of the tank that we got to fix it, but we'll get it fixed tonight. We're getting the soft wash stuff. But even with this job of getting this done, we just came back. We took about a 2-hour break to do a $1,000 an hour job. Yep, you heard that right. $1,000. We did a $1,000 job. DJ went and had a concrete cleaning driveway where the hydraulic line blew on my bucket truck that was next toward working on some lines. Blew hydraulic lines all over there. So we needed a truck, and DJ's truck is not done yet, so we took this truck over there and got that done. But that is a different video. If you want to see that video, you can go check that video out about $1,000 an hour. So again, hopefully, as you want to learn about how this whole truck and stuff has been built, you can definitely check out this playlist right here where I talk about everything of how to build a rig. And yes, that's DJ. So hopefully you learned something. If you need any questions, ask them down in the comments. I love answering your questions down there. So see you in my next video.